Dive into the journey of exploring the great mechanical heritage. From the thunderous steam giants to the legendary aviation icons. Whether you're a devotee of classic machines or simply love the thrilling sensation of roaring metal, this adventure facing a real headache with this Detroit diesel 453T pushing 160 horsepower. To make matters worse, the brand new turbo compressor wheels suffered damage. Thankfully, not catastrophic. It's an engine that's run into some frustrating setbacks, yet its signature sound remains undeniably impressive. The Fairbanks Morse 32D series represents a class of two-stroke, opposed piston diesel engines engineered for demanding applications. Renowned for exceptional durability and operational efficiency, these units deliver up to 3,000 horsepower in configurations, ranging from 4 to 12 cylinders. Individual engine weight can reach up to 50 tons. Take a look at this. The Zvezda M50, a fascinating piece of Soviet engineering history. The Caterpillar C32 engine stands as a formidable power solution for demanding applications. This robust 32.1-liter V12 configuration delivers over 1,800 horsepower at peak output, paired with exceptional torque characteristics. Its deep, thunderous roar echoes like the growl of a mechanical beast. Renowned for its durability and ease of maintenance, it's that sound, the classic industrial heartbeat, that stirs the imagination. What does it make you think of? Behold the Babs Special, a testament to British engineering excellence. Its powerful 1,000cc V-twin engine unleashes a raw 70 horsepower. For applications requiring 12 to 14 horsepower, the Petter semi-diesel engine offers a proven, efficient solution. Weighing between 200 to 220 kilograms, it ensures stable performance for various gas engines. Key benefits include significant fuel savings and a notable reduction in noise levels. What you're witnessing is the birth of Deutz's V12 power, their first model, the A12L614, roaring to life since 1954. This 16-liter air-cooled beast was produced for a mere 6 years. It powers bombers and fighter aircraft with incredible force. Its 14 cylinders don't just make them roar. The powerful, thunderous sound echoes through the air, signaling undeniable strength and dominance in the skies. This is the R2800CB, a remarkable air-cooled marvel. When a Caterpillar D9G cold starts, it's more than just noise. It's raw power coming alive. Imagine 38,000 kilograms of steel awakening, its 12-cylinder diesel heart roaring to life with 335 horsepower. The deep, resonant growl blended with the exhaust's signature note, that's the sound of heavy work about to begin. Imagine being transported back to 1917, witnessing the birth of an industrial giant in New York. This wasn't just a 600 horsepower engine. It featured 2 parallel 24-inch cylinders, delivering a staggering 31,500 foot-pounds of torque. It's one of the largest operational gas engines still preserved to this day. Let me tell you about this beast, the Curtiss-Wright R1820, a 9-cylinder air-cooled radial engine arranged like the spokes of a wheel, delivering a solid 1,200 horsepower. You've likely heard it roaring on the B-17. All right, history buffs. Think of the Maybach HL230 as the high-performance powerhouse of its time. This wasn't just any engine. We're talking about a massive 23-liter V12 beast cranking out nearly 700 horsepower, driving war machines like the Panther and Tiger II. Its roar, iconic, thunderous, and unmistakably legendary. Increase the volume to fully appreciate the sound of the Continental R 975C4 radial engine, producing 450 horsepower. Witness the roar of the Sherman M4A1E 8H VSS 76mm tank, meticulously restored by the War Heritage Institute as it rumbles, a tribute to the heroes and the enduring legacy of war. It was the heartbeat of an industrial era, combining agricultural strength with remarkable precision. The Hall Scott 512 Defender is not just another powerful machine, it's a one-of-a-kind auditory experience. Weighing around a ton, this 1,200 horsepower marvel boasts a deep, resonant growl. Think of it as the baritone voice of the engine world, a profound rumble that echoes the sheer power it commands. Its roar can be quite loud, but that is an unmistakable characteristic of a classic diesel engine. This is not just a car, it is a technological marvel. The entire frame is crafted from hand-worked aluminum, while the suspension system boasts a unique steel structure. With 1,200 horsepower under the hood, supported by a supercharger, it is engineered for high speeds. The custom-machined one-piece tires The Ranger Phi 12 is a masterpiece that combines power and technology, featuring 3 V12 engines producing over 1,500 horsepower. With a weight of 8 tons, the vehicle is both powerful and smooth in operation. The roar of its engine, akin to that of a heavy-duty machine, demands attention wherever it goes. Whether navigating rugged terrain or cruising on highways, the Ranger Phi 12 always leaves a lasting impression.